Hello everyone, I'm Mark Strauss of Interior Design. It's Sunday afternoon pre-NeoCon, so the bedlam really hasn't started yet, and I'm particularly excited because when you talk about innovators in our industry, Meco Shade is right at the top. They virtually invented solar shading and continue to innovate year after year. So Susan, what do you have in store for us?
Well, thank you, Mark. It's always good to see you.
It's great to see you.
What we're showing this year are EcoVeil family of fabrics. The translucent fabrics available in a 1%, 3%, 5% openness factor. It is the only shade cloth on the market that is silver certified cradle to cradle. What we've done in the process is we're trying to mimic a natural metabolism.
Wow.
So with this product in a window, when it ends its life, being a shade and hanging in a window, it'll never end up in a landfill. And again, new for NeoCon this year is our shade cloth solution box. This box allows for a wonderful organization of all of our series so that your specifier can take a look based on what she or he is hoping to find in a shade cloth.
Oh wow.
And can go into the basket weaves, can go into the twill weaves, the reverse weaves.
This is perfect for a architecture design library.
So they had the whole selection of all of our fabrics, from our room darkening fabrics to our standard vertical, our standard basket weave fabrics, some of our new Bogota fabrics, our aluminum backed fabrics.
And of course people need to touch it and feel it, and you've really given it to them in a great way.
Designers, you know, designers tend to be very tactile.
Yeah.
You know, they want to get a very intimate approach to understanding all the elements. What we have here is a quiet, fully encoded line voltage that allows for true integration to third-party controls via dry contact. So we're very pleased with the system. You can see as we developed the IQ motor, we have perfect alignment from shade band to shade band.
You totally program it, obviously.
Yes, it's completely, the system allows for this type of custom stops at 25%, 50%, 75% full up and full down on the window wall, or it can be customized.
This looks like Star Wars to me, Susan.
Well, this is a radiometer. A radiometer sits, 3 of them sit on the roof.
Really?
They do.
Really?
They measure the full spectrum of light striking the building. They measure everything from the UV, the infrared, and the visible light transmittance, as well as the BTU load striking the building. And what they do as the eye to the sky, they understand the real-time microclimatic conditions that affect that building. What this allows us to do with our sundialer system is it allows us to control shades across an elevation, across a zone, but only bringing the shade down as low as required to keep the rest of the window open so we can allow that natural light to footprint into the space, maximize the daylight harvesting intent of a dimmable lighting system, maintain visual comfort, maintain thermal comfort of the occupant in the occupied zone, while we're allowing them to significantly increase their productivity. Working with the dimmable lighting system, working with the building management system to significantly reduce their energy consumption.
Now I was going to say, this has to have a tremendous energy savings component. First of all, it's totally new, it's different, and it has so many advantages, not only in productivity and energy and in the whole mix.
Just keeping the space comfortable, you know, and the occupant comfortable in the occupied zone. All we're seeing on the marketplace today is wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling glass. We are able to control the light, the glare, and the heat, while we allow the occupants to maintain their view to the world.
It's been a real pleasure talking to you.
It's always a pleasure.
And I always knew coming in here that I'd learn a lot new, but my head is sort of spinning with how much you've innovated.